Good evening everybody and welcome to my stream. I hope you're enjoying the music, and from what I can see, I guess the stream is working properly. Let me put it on the other screen. Okay, this is a phone, so I can take a photo, so I can show you the video down. Weird why the music is not popping up. Actually, there should be from here. Okay, so yeah, hello to my stream again. We're going to web design a page. I'm going to continue from last time, and also on this side there should be music showing, but I don't know why it's not showing over there. And then if you go down here, there's my Twitter handle. Come to my follow me on Twitter. You can read about stuff. I retweet stuff sometimes. I don't tweet that much, but sometimes I do tweet about baseball, design, etc, etc. What else? Actually, let me see. I don't know why the music is not showing up. Maybe because I didn't turn on the... Oh, maybe. Actually, I know why it's not showing up. And okay, and now the music should be online, probably, most probably. Oops, okay, maybe there's something wrong. There should be, I guess the song should be showing over there, but yeah, it's showing now. Ooh, goddamn, that's a long one. Okay. I guess, yeah, you can see the song over here. I'm gonna try to move this one for a second. Just give me a little bit so I can move it over here. Okay, now you can see the whole song over here if you like it. Also, don't forget to like somewhere down here. Maybe subscribe should be somewhere down here also. This is an iPhone I'm using. I hope it's not really shaky. Oops, like from the looks of it, it's gonna be really shaky now if I turn it on. And yeah, okay, last time what we did was, I'm just gonna transition. I'm looking because I'm using my second screen over here. We're gonna transition over here. Wrong camera. Okay, last time what we did was, you see this website, it's Amo Foundation's website. It's a project that wants to connect, let's say that wants to connect your car and make it more secure. And let's say you don't have a smart car, you just have a normal car, and with a device that they're currently designing, you can just plug it into your OBD port in your car, and this port is usually for diagnostics. When you go to your service center, usually they plug in a computer and they just like download the data. But yeah, you have your car has lots of data which is locked away from the user, and pretty much it's not useless for you, it's useful to you, but you just can't access it properly without the proper tools. And with this device and with their service, you can use your data is yours to control. You can decide if you want to just like sell it on the data market they're currently developing, or you can just keep it. Like, let's say for example, I don't want to share my how much distance I have driven, or like I don't want to share how much how much fuel I have been spending, etc., etc. Like everything can be controlled by you and can be also used by you, so you can earn ammo coins, which later you can use for whatever you want. You can just buy a coffee, you can just buy a ticket, you can use it for like other car related services. Oops, I guess my English is not really good today. Okay, let's see what's happening now. This time what we did was we just did like this a short list of things. Like I analyzed the current page and how it's structured and how I want to structure it next time, and like what's the navigation bar should include in my opinion. And let's say that this is the foundation of the design we're going to do. Over here we have like a navigation bar, over there we have an intro, which is going to be the main section of the page with a hero image and like a short intro, and then there should be like the experience of the company, and then video, like the introduction video they have, and then there should be like more oh sorry, what did I write over here, for Christ's sake? Like my writing is so bad I can't read it myself. Yeah, this is experience, exactly. Video about products, and then team, partners, history. This is about the project itself over here. Then we can include a roadmap, and then we can put the exchanges, like where currently the coin is being exchanged, FAQ and documents like the white paper, etc., etc., and then the footer with all the social network accounts they have. And the next one, wow, my processor is working hard. Where are you working so hard, son? Yeah, I guess streaming and the activity monitor itself is taking a lot of power. Like, for Christ's sake, it's your fucking software. Okay, the navigation bar should be structured like this. So next, what I think we should do is let's draw just very easily, like nothing in detail, how we should structure the page itself. Like we have it over here, right? So yeah, we have a navigation bar and an intro. So what we should do is, because it's gonna be a long page, I'm just gonna draw it like this. Over here, I'm gonna have a top bar, and then with the top bar is going to include, as I said over here, intro or like a home button, which is going to take us to the top, about ammo, products, team, partners, history, and then like pretty much is going to be over here by these big lists. These things are going to be included in the top bar, so we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. We should have 4 buttons. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have the logo over here, and yeah, and then when you click something, there's gonna be a drop-down menu. Yeah, I haven't done a drop-down menu, so that's gonna be an adventure, I guess. I hope you're enjoying this song. It's one of my favorites. And then what else should we have over here is we have an intro with the main image. So we're gonna put like a hero image. Let's say it's gonna be this big, with this big, and there should be like a short text, like something that's like a tagline, for example. Let's put it in the middle, or we can just change it. But yeah, let's just structure it just easily, nothing in detail. Later when you do the design in Sketch, I'm going to talk about more. And then we have here with the short, we have experience. So experience, what I mean by experience is this thing over here. You see this section where it says we're proud to have like 60 plus technology patent, how do you pronounce patent? Okay, let's see. Patents, yeah, exactly. It's patents, for Christ's sake. I know how to pronounce the damn word, but yeah. Okay, and then 35 product awards and 20 years of security experience. So just putting this device in your car or connecting it with your car is not just going to allow you to access data. It's going to also protect it from like other outside interferences, especially if you have a smart car. They offer a solution for like anti-hacking solution, because smart cars are really not prepared to be connected to the World Wide Web, in my opinion. There is a lot more to ask about security, but yeah, that's just my opinion. And this one, and then we have short video. The video how we should do like experience. Let's say that we can just use it like this. We can try to fit it like this, and then we can put the video over here, and after that we have about. So what I'm going to do myself is I'm just going to divide it like this, so I can just remember, like this is going to be the beginning, and this is going to be the intro, and also about. Is there something blocking my camera? There shouldn't be anything blocking my camera. Oh no, so there's nothing. Products team. Okay, products can be found on this. Sorry, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like they have these different products related with the project, and there's 6 of them. So let's fit them. Let's fit them in a section like this. It's going to be auto scrollable. Oh, I guess I just coughed really loudly. Sorry about that. It wasn't intentional, of course. And let's say there's going to be like an image, for example, an image that's going to, and then we have like this 6 bars, and then we're gonna have like a text over here. And it's going to be like scrollable from side to side, so we can fit like 6 or 7, or we can add more if you want later. And then after that, team. So let's put the team. We're gonna put the team in a similar section like this. So let's put like, imagine it's like going to be like a big screen, like screen, one more screen, one more screen, one more screen. So when you scroll down, I haven't coded this type of website, so it's going to be a real challenge. It might be even annoying for some of you because there's going to be a lot of googling and etc, but I'm going to try my best. Like, I'm still a beginner. So hey, there's time to learn for everything, eh? So we have the theme, and the theme is, you can see it from over here. Let's click over here. And this is the core theme, and then there's more members also, and there's advisors. So let's just do it like this. Advisors. So there's going to be text, and then we can just put like images over here, and then with the scroll they can slide from side to side like this. Like when you scroll it's not going to just drop by and switch to another page. It's just going to be like a infinite scroll from side to side, right? Because we can put like text under it like this. I hope you can see. And then advisors, they're also going to be included. And then partnering, they have like partners, but the partners are another topic. And they're the next one. You see, they're partnering with like these companies in these locations. So how we should do it in a more interesting way? Like, let's just think about it. There's going to be like, we can just put a map also. If it's possible, it would be nice to do a map and so you can point and there's going to be a pop-up. That would be the best. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. That's a problem. I hope I will be able to do it. Let me just put something on the side, because if I keep it like this, it should be, oh wow, okay, nice. I found a way actually. I didn't know that I can, yeah. I'm using, this is my stand for my laptop and I just slid it under. And then because they have not like their list of partners is not really short, should we just list them or should we include it on map? Actually, just, yeah, let's include a map with a list also. Or it would be nice if we include, like, let's say that there's going to be a map. So there's going to be like an image, and when you click, let's say on, we can divide it into left, center, and right. So there's going to be, let's say, the states over here, like Europe and Africa, and then we have like Asia and Oceania and Australia down here. So when you click, like, let's say you click over here, we have these pin pointers, and then you have the list of partners, because this list of partners, of course, it's going to expand. Okay, and then history. So let's include the history. The history is over here. So history is going to, like, let's say that it's going to be a text like this over here. Text, and then we're gonna have an image, the image they used. We're just going to redesign it. And should we include this one? Yeah, let's just include the list of places they have been. Like, these are the shows, I guess, that they have attended before without the image, because it's already written. Like, you can see that it's already written on the side, so we can just put a list over here. Oops, there's something on my page. And then exchanges. There's going to be like a list of exchanges. When you click on them, we can go and trade the coin, and it can be expanded as well. And then we have an FAQ, which is going to be like just like, let's say text, and a footer. Perfect. Okay, so I guess we have the basic structure pretty much like roughly sketched, and this should give us a good foundation we can later use. Okay, not bad at all. Roadmap. We have a roadmap also we should include. Actually, we forgot about the roadmap, which is after the history. So over here, let's continue on the other page. Give me a second just to... After the history, over here, see, this was the history over here. We had the exchanges, right? But I'm gonna do like this, and we can continue on the other page. History and roadmap. So we have the roadmap. Let's do the roadmap. Like you see, the roadmap is now centered, but let's just do it on one side. So it's going to be like a line, and then text related with a certain point in time, etc, etc, etc. And then over here we can put the exchanges, right? Yeah, this is the exchanges, so we can just do like this. And then FAQ in documents. So there is quite a lot of documents, by the way. One page, you have white paper summary, space, token economy, and you have all these different languages it's in. So after this, FAQ, as we said, is going to be like expandable. When you click it, it's going to expand. Click expand question, and then over here we can put like a link. Yeah, let's put like, let's say it's going to be text, and then a button. Like to download it, and there's going to be this. I think there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types, so we can just put 5 of them. One page is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in 5 languages. Let's do it like this, and then one more on this side as well. No, this is only 3. Sorry, this is only 3. Then we have 5 more. And over here, how much? 3. And 3, we have only 3 on the stone. We can later, I guess, rearrange them. And if there's more expenditure, let's say there's more languages, we can just put more languages over here. Okay, and then after that, FAQ documents, and then we have a footer. So let's say the footer, we can just put the current footer. Like we see, they have like this list of partners, I guess. But this list of partners, later we can edit actually. For now, let's just skip it. And this is the footer over here with the current design is not bad actually. We can just use this for SNS, for example. And then we're gonna have a logo and details. Okay. And it's done for now. And also another cool song. I hope you like it. Okay, so this is pretty much a rough sketch of the web page we are going to design. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Should we? How should we start now? Should we go straight for? Should we go straight for sketch? I think I think we have everything, so we can just do like a black and white rough design in sketch. Okay, I'm gonna turn on sketch for a second. First, I'm using abstract, so I'm going to include a new project. You're not going to be able to see for a second, but you just enjoy the music in my very beautiful voice. Redesign of the website. I'm just gonna call it create a project, and I'm gonna create a new sketch file. So it's going to let me just call it amo /web /1 or 0.1, no 1.0, and then sketch. And then I have a new commit, and yeah, I'm gonna create a new branch. Sorry, you can't see it. I'm gonna share it actually with you guys. Let me just switch for a second. Yeah, you can see it actually. You should be able to see it now. So this is abstract. It's a version control software for Sketch, mainly for Sketch for now. They say they're working on other file types, so in the future we might see Photoshop. I'm not sure. Let's hope so. So I created the project over here, and then this is the master branch over. I don't know if you can see it, or if my Actually, let me just clean my desktop and I'm gonna show you the whole desktop itself. Oh, wait, I already have a folder. Oops. Yes, it's full again. Damn it, I gotta clean my desktop. I'm really bad. I'm gonna show you the whole page itself. If I can, actually. That would be interesting. Let me see how to do it. I have no idea. Desktop. Is it this one? Nope. This one? Nope. Oh, no. Cancel. I gotta add a new one. Yes. Window capture. Nope. Image display capture. Of course. I'm gonna create I'm just using one on the side. Okay. Okay, nice. Not bad at all. Can I add I should have prepared in advance, to be honest. Okay, I think I have it working over here. And then let me just include the music so you can see. Ooh, another great song, by the way. Enjoy it. It might get blocked eventually and I'm gonna have to delete it from YouTube, but yeah, this is something that's really annoying. And you should be able to see my face now, I guess. Yo, hello there, hello Xiaodan, how are you? But yeah, this is my desktop and this is the project I did. This is abstract, this is how it looks. And you see we created this, so I'm gonna make a new, let's say I'm gonna click editing sketch. And because it's the master branch, it's gonna ask me, abstract does not allow changes to be made directly to master. To edit this file, please create a new branch. You can also open untracked. If you open it untracked, it's not going to track your changes. So it's literally GitHub for design, you can say. So I'm going to create a new branch, and I'm going to call the new branch web 1.0 or 1.0. Okay, and then we have sketch opened, and the document does not use a color profile, so we can just go to preferences, and from over here sRGB, I can do to sRGB, and also from file change color profile, and I'm gonna change it to sRGB for the web. And we have an empty sketch file, so I'm just gonna click A. Oh, I have plugin updates available. Let me just update these bad boys. Or actually, I'm using this is Sketch Runner, by the way. It's something you should really use. And yeah, I guess I'm done with the updates. I click A. On Apple devices, instead of Apple, I'm going to use responsive web, and I can do desktop HD. And we have an artboard over here. With this artboard, we can start doing some rough sketching. And the rough sketching, I'm gonna include it over here. Just give me a second. I'm going to include the other camera. Okay. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see anything from the small camera on the side, but yeah, there should be like a small camera over here, so I can, let's say that for example we have a navigation bar, right? Let's just grab one over here. In fact, I'm just going to do it like 64. We have a navigation bar done, and from over here I can just put like, let's say, I can increase the size, by the way, of the artboard, because we're gonna need a bigger artboard, like we're gonna need like something long. And this guy, because it's gray as well. And now with the latest update we can include something else, like let's say random photo, or let's use a splash search photo. Car, something with a car. Is there something with a car? Yeah, okay, cool. We have a photo over here, and we can put some text. But I guess because this is I'm gonna include text over here. Let's say logo. Change the color. We have a logo, and then we should include, the navigation should include main, which is going to be a button, so you can just go to the top, about ammo, good night ciao Dan. And I'm gonna text you before my next stream. I haven't streamed properly, but yeah, I'm gonna send you a message before I start streaming again. I gotta go to sleep also because I'm also quite busy tomorrow. I'm gonna finish soon. I have 15 minutes left. Good night. About ammo, and then exchanges, and we can do FAQ, and yeah, that's it. So we have the text. We know that this is going to be navigation, so let's just grab these guys. I'm gonna group them and I'm gonna call them nav. And then the hero image, I copied it, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it black, and I'm gonna change the opacity to something more darker. So let's say how much? 60. Yeah, let's put it on 60%. I'm gonna group it, hero image. Let's put text. What kind of text should we use actually? Because it's just going to be a make. What the fuck happened? Make smart cars smarter, and I'm just going to put it on something whiter. We can use. For now, I'm not going to care about any of the what do you say? Any of the more detailed design stuff. So I'm just gonna. You should be able, if I put my mouse on top. Yeah, actually it's not working. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger and just put it in the middle. And then under it, authentic block. The fuck? Authentic block chain and data economy for smart cars. Okay, so this is going to be our hero image. It's just an example, it's not the final design, right? After that, what do we have over here? Over here we have experience. Okay, so we have the experience, right? We came to this side, so, or actually under the hero image, let's put a text. I'm just gonna copy the text from the website. Because it's in white you can't really see it, but it's text. I'm gonna change it, just give me a minute. Okay, there's going to be text over here. Let's say for example this much points, and let's make it a little bit smaller. Center the fellow pen. Ammo is this is just copied straight from the website. And over here, the more you drive, the more you get. And I'm just gonna make it, let's say, a little bit bigger, and show this guy also in the middle. And experience. So per our sketch we should have just 3 lines with like this, and this. This is just an example. Like 60 plus, so I can just copy it from the website. I'm gonna copy it from my other monitor. 60 plus technology patience, 35 awards, and 20 years of security. Let me just make this a little bit more. Damn it, wrong button. And I'm gonna group it experience or exp, and then this guy I'm gonna show it in the middle. This whole thing is going to be just intro. We have an intro, we have the experience over here. There is no icons, so we should include a few. I'm not going to include icons now, but I'm just gonna, if you click O it makes an oval, if you click R it makes a rectangular. And over here let's just include like something like an icon, because people like icons. Like icon over here, icon over here, icon over here. I'm gonna get these guys, I'm just gonna drag them inside the experience group, so they're now part of the whole group itself. And later, for our this, we should include a video. So let's put the video down here, like this. And let's use, let's just render photo. Yeah, just clouds are looking cool. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make a rectangular. I'm gonna click edit, get one of the corners, delete, drag it down in the center. We have a play button, just put it over here so I know it's a video. Okay. Experience video, about, and then we have an about page. About page. Includes a photo like this, right? We can see over here it has a photo with a text, because this about is products. I had a drink for today, by the way, but I didn't show you. I had this. You know what? I'm gonna be right back. Give me a second, let me just get one more I bought. Hey there, you can see me now, and what I have is this fellow, Goat Peak Tea, original American iced tea brand. So yeah, this is going to be my drink. I had already one, but why not have another one? It never hurts anyone. Okay, just give me a second, I'm gonna transition back. Okay, so we have it. Let me just open the bottle. Cheers. Yeah, iced tea is not bad. I like how it makes British people, it confuses them, the whole concept of iced tea. Or more traditional British people, it's just like making fun. But yeah, we have a video over here. Oh, look now, we don't have a group, so we have group, video. Okay. Next one is we're gonna have a photo, let's say, of the product itself. Over here, data, search, I'm gonna search for an iPhone, let's say. Oh no, what the fuck I'm doing? Search for photo, oh yeah. Hey. Okay, fuck it, we're gonna use this photo. And then we can put, I'm just gonna copy text from their page over here. Like this one. It's a big one, but it's just an example after all. This is their product, and then because we want to make it scrollable, I'm just gonna put these small dots over here. I'm gonna put like 6 of them. Was it Control D? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Group them, indicator, and I'm gonna put it in the center. Group this guy. No, don't group this guy. Just leave it like this. In the center of the screen. Or actually group this guy for a second. I'm just gonna center it. I'm gonna group it again. I'm just gonna group this one as products. This is just a rough sketch, right? We have products. Oh, I did not include you see these guys on the side over here. I didn't include this. Let me just do it fast. really fast. One way to do this thing fast is we have a triangle, right? Make a triangle like this. I'm gonna spin it around. I forgot where it's I'm gonna spin it around 90 degrees. I'm gonna click on edit. I'm gonna make it open path. I don't want to open it like that. Okay, so just use the line. If you click P, oops, no. If you click V, sorry, V, this is what happens when you're using a we don't have a border, so just put a border over here like this, copy paste on this side. I'm gonna spin it around 180 degrees, center it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And these guys, I'm gonna catch both of them and just put them inside the product group. And now we have a big group over here. Okay, everything is going fine. Oh, why don't I have my camera on? Okay, now I have my camera. Ooh, hey there. Okay, and then after the products we have the theme. So what we're going to do is it's going to be scrollable, right? If it's going to be scrollable, what we can do is first, let's say that I'm gonna just put like a photo over here, photo over here, like 4 per person. And then there's going to be some information, like let's say this big information about the team member, like this. And what I'm gonna do over here is just use faces. Okay, perfect. These are just random people from the internet, don't forget. We have it like this, but because it's going to be like scrollable from side to side, what would be nice to do is oh wow, it's not reversed. I don't need to flip it, nice. Is it? Code peak. Oh yeah, it's not reversed. It's not mirrored, sorry. What I'm gonna do is, because we need to tell the user that this section is scrollable from side to side, this needs to be an indicator, right? Something to show the user, oh okay, this is not just like a static, because we have all this area over here and over here. It's empty space, and if there's nothing to indicate to show the user that actually this thing can be scrollable, it's confusing. But I did a mistake now over here. I should copy this like this, right? Let me just put another guy. I don't want copying stuff. And then what we're going to do is just make it like this. You see, it's going to be a little bit hidden to the side. So this shows the user, okay, this thing is scrollable. There's something more. When you scroll, there's going to be more team members, right? This is the whole idea. Like, so you can when you scroll it, when you hover on top of it and you scroll, it's going to slide like this, or more. Yeah, it's going to move like whoop, like this. And this just indicates, like, if we don't have this thing, there is no way to know that there's something after it, right? So there's gonna be like this for now. And this thing, I'm gonna group it and just call it team. And team, I'm gonna put it inside this box. So I'm gonna put this one over here, just as a indicator that there is something more. Okay, there's like, I'm thinking of putting a background. Like, I want to separate every section with a different background. Oh, that's gonna be a really complicated website. Something I haven't done, like personally coded it. Okay, what else do we have over here? After team, we have partners. So when you have partners, as I said, I want to make like an image which is going to be the world. Let's say, for example, map. Exactly a map, but okay, whatever. I'm gonna copy on top of it, put a normal color background, or just black, and I'm gonna use like 60%, 70%, and over here, so let's say it's going to be in 3 sections, for example. That's it. I'm gonna use white and like with a bigger text. This, like for example, these partners are over here. This is how I want to indicate, like, there is this partner, this partner, this partner. Partner 1, partner 2, partner 3, and etc, etc, etc. Or we can just divide it in the middle. America, Europe, and Africa, and then we have Asia, because Asia has a lot more partners. Okay, perfect. Actually, let's just divide it in the middle. We have a rough sketch, and after the partners, we have history. Oh, we didn't group this one. Partners. We just close this group. Just turn off the magnification. Okay, I like this. And then, for example, there is a map over here. Let me just search for Korea. Fuck. Did you just put a Korean girl? Okay, not exactly what I was looking for. I don't know how this photo is related to Korea, but I guess that the tags of the photo has something about Korea, most probably. Okay, just leave it like this. Like this is the history. This is the history, right? Okay, we have the history over here, and then we have more text on the bottom because there should be something more. We can just use it like this. We can just expand it to the side. Okay, we have some more text. This is just an example. As I'm saying, this is just a really rough design. History, and okay, I'm 1 hour 10 minutes in. I should actually go to sleep. It's really late over here. And then what else? After that we have a roadmap. So roadmap with texts, right? Oops. Let's have this much of text. Why it is not delete the last one? And let's use the P. No, let's use the vector tool. I'm gonna bang. We have a line, one line, please. Okay, finish editing. Here we have a border. I'm just gonna use an oval. Let's say, for example, this is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, and like this. And let's say year. And something that happened. Okay. I'm gonna call it the roadmap, and then exchanges. One, two, three. We have the name of the exchanges. We're almost done. We have exchanges over here. There is no titles, as you can see, but later we can include those titles if there's going to be such titles. Like for now, I didn't include any titles in the sketch over here, but hey. And then let me just increase this thing for a second. We have FAQ, right? FAQ is going to be this, and then I'm gonna use a tool like triangle, like this, and just spin it around 100. Just flip it actually. And then like this is going to be the question. Question something something something, like if it's this long, yeah, whatever. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. FAQ. Oh, and then we have documents. Right, so let's say that we have document 1 2 3 4 5. We can just extend it a little bit, bang, center it in the middle. I should have a plugin for buttons, or maybe I don't have anymore, cause I have so much fucking plugins. I'm not using a lot of them. Later I'm gonna restart sketch. Let me just save, buddy. Document something, document something, document something, and then let's just put a button. Why are you not working? Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to restart it. I restarted it. Are you fucking happy now? Button, which has 5. The other one. This is pretty much, I can teach you a Korean word which is called nogada, or slave work. These are download buttons, by the way. And yeah, we have a footer. We have a footer over here. So bang, let's just put it like this. I should have like logo or something, logo fetcher. Insert SVG logo. Are you gonna start? Rectangular shape. You need to select a rectangular shape. Okay, so plugin, logo fetcher, insert SVG logo. Bitcoin. Yeah, just for example, we have a logo over here, and then we're gonna have like its privacy, etc, etc, etc. Over here, and then we have SNS. So what I'm gonna do is one, three, four, five. Interesting how it. Maybe I did it to the side, so that's why I decided to do it like this. Okay. Logo fetcher, email. Not bad at all. Intriguing. WeChat. What was this Weibo? I forgot what it was, this one, by the way. Weibo. It is Weibo, yeah. And then we have Medium. I'm just copying the footer. Medium. Control Command K. Facebook. Twitter. It's not in design. Fuck, what was it? What was the name of that used to be a huge spamming website? Not in vision. Fuck. There's so much things within now, I'm starting to forget. It's the things where you put your CVs and god damn it, I forgot. It is LinkedIn. It's not in. There is in it. Oops, nope. And then YouTube. Okay. And I just call it. I'm just gonna. Delete this one. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's something. We'll get this one, remove this one. Oh, group. Let's call it SNS, and then I'm gonna call this one footer. documents, an FAQ, and our website is pretty much done. Like the rough sketch, I'm repeating myself. Sorry, this phone is in my way. And yeah, we're pretty much done. It's not that long actually when I think about it. But because it's going to change, because we're going to put like graphics and stuff. I'm going to use Illustrator, so I can put like, let's say, illustrations. I'm not really good in illustrations myself, but I'm going to try my best. And just do a transition over here. Yay! Hello there, people. On the big camera now. So yeah, so these sleeves. So yeah, this is our rough sketch of the website. Next time I can start doing something more detailed, like, so let's go into the more detailed design, like the button, the color palette, etc, etc, etc. And then we're gonna go into like, let's plan some graphics, what's going to be placed over here, what kind of photo we need over here, we'll do it like another image over here, like background stuff. And there's going to be a lot of research, like I'm going to look at other websites and how they coded it, because I'm going to use them as a reference. I myself am not really the best at this. What is this button do? Oh, intriguing. Yeah, okay. I think this is it for today. If when I think about it, yeah, this should be done. Oh, and I'm 30 minutes on top of my time. Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Okay, bye bye, people. If you like the song, it's over here. Follow me on Twitter over here. I have been using ODB as my streaming software, which is open source. You can download it for free. You can put other stuff. It's really easy to use. Like in the beginning it looks like confusing, but it's really easy to use. It's stable. It is quite stable on Mac, and it's free. Like it does everything I need to do. Perfect. It's the perfect software for me. And yeah, I'm just using this, like this is an old iPhone 6, or yeah, it should be a 6, like so I can take like video from over here for my book. I used it used to be my camera from the side, but for now I'm using it like this. Later I'm gonna change this. I'm just using the laptop webcam. And yeah, okay, this is for me. This is it for me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, somewhere down there should be like a like button or whatever. If you disliked it, there's always a dislike button. Leave a comment, suggestions, anything is okay. Just if you talk with me, I'm gonna reply to you. Like, I'm cool with it. And yeah, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's helpful. Just join me in this journey and let's make something nice together. Okay, bye bye and good night. Enjoy the song for now, and maybe see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Just a kid.